sticks, as you.
Hi guys, welcome to another PK TV production. So this has been a long time coming. I actually waited 3 months to get this, but even though I'm late, I'm still going to go through it and give you my full opinion on this. So this is by far the new Apple Watch Series 5. So this is the 44mm, as you can see right there. It is just the base one, aluminium one with the sports band on it. So there's a reason why I got that version instead of going on to the next. So I'm going to open this up and we're going to have a look and I'll give you my initial thoughts on the Series 5 Apple Watch.
Right, hi guys. So this is the Apple Watch Series 5 cellular 44mm version. The body is the black aluminium with the black sports band. So let's open her up and pull that special tab to open, which will open the plastic. Now all we need to do is pull the tabs up and reveal another box which contains the Apple Watch. And as we pop the top, we see the Apple Watch and documentation designed by Apple in California. And usual documentation you get with every Apple Watch, manual, Apple stickers, etc. A very long magnetic Apple Watch USB cable that's been with every Apple Watch since 2015. And the iPhone USB AC wall plug, no changes there. It's pretty much the same. And lastly, the Apple Watch itself, the 44mm, as you can see right there. So let's take a look at what we get in the actual other side of this box, and we'll get to the Apple Watch itself. Now we get to look at the 44mm Apple Sports Band. Remove the handy tab at the back. And pop out the documentation and the watch bands. So once we unfold the package, you'll see two bands, a medium for medium wrists and the other is for large, for pretty much the same as how it's been for the many other Apple Watches in the past. Okay, looking at the watch, we can see the new crown now has a red circle instead of a red button like the previous cellular versions of the watch. You have your multitasking button, which is for Apple Pay multitasking, as well as your mic, ceramic back and heart rate sensor, and of course we have our speaker on the side there. And we're back to that OLED screen with the always on display, so let's take a look and put these bands on. Okay, putting on the bands and let's power it on as well. Once this is fully powered on, I will set it off camera and we'll check out some of the features of the new Apple Watch. Alright, here is the new Apple Watch Series 5 in all of its entirety. Just look at that 44mm always on OLED goodness. Alright, same deal as before. Press down the crown to get a sea of apps, which can now be changed into a list view in settings. Press a button on the side will activate the multitasking menu for all your open apps. Double tapping the crown will get you the last app you just opened. Long press the touchscreen will still bring up the face selection where you can customize and swipe between faces. As you can see, some of the brand new faces there showing Meridian, California, Numeral, Duo and Gradient. The band itself is very comfortable and fits very well, as you can see right there. Swipe up to get Control Center on the watch where you can switch functions off quickly without going into settings, including turning off always on display as well as removing water from the crown. Of course, swipe down to get your notifications. Well, that's the Apple Watch Series 5. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Cheers.